Hello, this is Activity 4, part number 2 of Social Research in Modern Society. The celebration we choose is El Dia de la Candelaria, because it is one of the traditions that most people here in Mexico celebrate, not knowing the real meaning, neither its origins. In order to accomplish a complete investigation of this celebration of El Dia de la Candelaria, we have to have a clear definition of what is it, focusing on understanding its origins, where else is celebrated, if it's only here in Mexico or it's from other places, and how in the other places, states, they usually celebrate this.
Our research was made in an academic and cultural focus, sources about the Dia de la Candelaria, looking for different key points about this celebration. In order to know we have reliable information, we approach and ask people that we already knew celebrated this tradition vigorously. We also focus on understanding the tradition ourselves.
Our research question helps us to collect data addressing key aspects such as the origin and the celebration practices, which ensures to give us a variety of perspective when doing it within our institution. The first two questions were made by our teacher to investigate how people think this tradition impacts the society. The first question is the importance in our society of El Dia de la Candelaria. The second question is, why do they consider El Dia de la Candelaria representative in their life? The third question is, which are the reasons they consider important to continue celebrating it? Then the other 6 questions were made by us to know how much people know about El Dia de la Candelaria. First question is, how do you celebrate this day with your family? The second question is, what do you think is the origin of this celebration? The third question is, what activities are generally done on this day? The fourth question is, do you know what it has a relation to January 6th, which is the day of Dia de los Reyes Magos? The question number 5 is, do you know what the Rosca de Reyes symbolize? The sixth question is, do you know what tamales are given and eaten on this day?
Of 30 people, we interviewed 70 men with a range of age of 15 to 29 years, but were mostly 16 and 17 years old students, and 30 women with a range of age of 15 to 49 years, but were mostly 16 years old students. The 54% who are 16 people are 16 years old. The 30% who are 7 people are 17 years old. The 10% who are 3 people are 15 years old. Then we have 19 university student and 3 teachers with a range of age about 29 to 45.
90% of those interviewed were high school students. That 4 are from second semester, 21 become for 4th semester, and only 1 from 6th semester. And the rest, 10%, is divided in 7% of university students and 3% university professors.
During the interviews, we discovered that most of the interviewers do not know or have any idea about the purpose of this tradition, which is the day of Candlemas. Most people only know we eat tamales today. Only a few people know its real origin and meaning. Others have similar opinions about if it's a Catholic or Spanish origins, as well as the relation with El Dia de Reyes, the meaning of the rosca, and other activities like going to church or carnivals and spend family time.